What's going on, everybody? It's Big T with GreenWallSt.com, back with another trading video here today, and we got something special today. We're going to be doing some live trading. I've had a lot of requests over the last couple of days, last week or so, from inside the GreenWallSt trading room to do some actual live trading, because you can talk about it in hindsight and do all these different things, but when it comes down to it, you have to be able to execute in real time, and you have to actually put those theories and things into practice. And I think that's what live trading helps to do. So this is something I'm starting to do more often inside the room, but I wanted to post one on YouTube here from actually this morning. We traded mRNA, Moderna. Maybe you guys have heard of the stock, but pretty good trading setup that we teach in the day trading course at GreenWallSt. And it worked out really well. They don't always work out really well, but this one did. So I wanted to share it and see what you guys thought. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see some more live trading videos. Something happened with my throat. I don't know what that was. And if so, I will definitely do that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the support recently. I do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys right back here next time. Peace out, everybody. Hey, what's up, guys? Got a lot of requests over the weekend to do some more actual live trading videos, so wanted to record this morning. On the watch list, the plan is BOXL, UAVS, RMBL, and mRNA. Same plan on pretty much all of those stocks, looking for a bounce in the morning to short. So 350 to 370 level is what I'm watching on the two on the screen. On my other screens, I have mRNA and RMBL, which I can't record, but if those end up setting up and these don't, then I'll switch screens. That way we can see the actual action. And like right now, it's 2.5 minutes before the open. I take a look at what is down the most, like what is the weaker stock. The one that I'm not as intrigued with right here is UAVS, because look, it's going green. It's now flat on the day. So this one already acting a bit stronger. BOXL acting quite a bit weaker. So mRNA you can't see, but it's super weak. RMBL is down 10%. So that is what I'm hoping to get some good bounces on. So we'll see. 2 minutes until the open. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. 10 seconds to the open. Should start to see some volume coming in. Again, watching stocks on my side screens too. I'm basically zoned in at this point on 4 different names. I don't want to be, super spread out to the point where I can't focus on anything. But the key here off the open is to not chase. Like if you have an idea off the open, you can't chase it. So like BOXL selling off, sure. The plan is to short bounces. You can't, by chase a short down here at 3, it could easily rip back up to, 340, 350, and it'd just be a terrible entry. So just like you can't chase, long breakouts and all this different stuff, you can't chase breakdowns if you're trying to short. It just doesn't work. mRNA is getting a nice bounce over here on my right-hand screen. I may just have to show you the chart fills after the fact. But BOXL selling off so far. No entry there. RMBL on my left screen. Nothing crazy as well. So right now it's just a game of patience. And, if you set out a plan and nothing sets up how you wanted it to, then there's no trade. It's looking like mRNA is going to be our best bet though, so I'm gonna start scaling this bounce. And again, I'll show you the chart fills afterwards. So it doesn't look like UAVS is gonna set up, so I'll bring up mRNA's chart here and switch UAVS. When I do that, I've got to switch all of these. I've got them set up how I like them. But you can see how mRNA was selling off hard, started to bounce up to that VWAP level. I scaled in. Still really only about half size of what I want, but my goal here, look, I could take the profit. I'm up, $200. Really trying to be more patient on these though, because what I've noticed is these really tend to fade very heavily throughout the day. So this thing, easily could come back under 85 and and sell off. So I want to be cautious of that. And now when you look at something like a BOXL, you know, this thing really selling off now, down 20%. You know, now is when I start looking, okay, you know, 350, 340, 370, probably out of the cards. That's probably not coming. So I'd be more interested in shorting a bounce closer towards VWAP. So as, you know, the situation changes, you have to change your plan. And you can see mRNA getting sold hard here. So I'm going to go ahead and at least sell half of mRNA. And then I'll sell the other half if we start to bust through new lows, but that's a killer trade. Killer trade. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the rest there. I mean, that's too easy. Okay, so mRNA, like that's it. That's the high probability setup. That is where, you know, I want to be, and that's where you don't want to go back afterwards and, you know, keep going back to the well and trying to, you know, make something happen that's not there. That was the move. So mRNA at this point, now I don't know what it could do. It could continue to flush. It could come back up. It could do, you know, anything it wants. Now this thing's probably going to fade to like 80 and piss me off, but again, the high probability stuff is probably done by now. Again, mRNA, the deal was, oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, I'm trash. I should have realized how heavy this thing was. What an incredible sell-off. Man, that was a home run trade in the making. But, you know, you could see it's just super weak in the pre-market, bounced up, you know, to these resistance levels at 90. You had a resistance level at 90 that coincided with VWAP, which is just, you know, kind of a layup short trade. So took 100 shares short here, 100 shares short here, covered 100, and I still left a ton on the table. So that continues to be something I've got to get better at. Is just like, you know, I'm good at putting on the wins, but really maximizing them has been tough for me. So I don't know. Hopefully that video helped. Again, like my plans and levels and everything is spelled out before the market even opens. You know, I knew what level I wanted on mRNA. I knew what level I wanted on BOXL. That way it takes the guesswork out of it. You know, you already know exactly what to do. So when the time comes, all you got to do is execute. You know, the hard part is already over. So hopefully that helped. $1,000 on the day. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be it for me today. I'm going to try not to sit in front of the screens too much, but I'll probably sit here and answer questions and things, but probably take a step back from trading myself and just start the week off right. So hopefully that helped. Let me know what you guys think. Stay safe out there.